Welcome back to the 20EC607L, the Internet of Things Laboratory. We have discussed the three experiments. So two of them is simulation using Tinkercad, and one is we have seen a last class is a IR sensor interfacing with Arduino. So last class itself we have started some programming. So this also we are going to see some program, and then afterwards we are going to execute that. So now fourth experiment, LDR sensor interfacing with Arduino. So now the same step we are going to following here also. Go to Arduino, click Arduino IDE here. So here the aim of this experiment is to write the program of LDR sensor interfacing with Arduino and the output display in Arduino Uno board. So this is the aim of this experiment, fourth experiment. And the apparatus required: LDR sensor, Arduino Uno kit, jumper wires, and Arduino IDE. This is the software. So as you know, what is the steps we are following means that you have to write in the procedure. Connect the Arduino board with the computer using USB cable. Second one, next step, the code mentioned above, that is that you have to open this Arduino IDE. So whenever you are opening this Arduino IDE, it have taking the some time to open. Okay, so it has opened that. Go to file. This is the procedure you are going to writing here. Go to file, click new, and then save this file. So I have to locate in the D drive. Some name regarding that Internet of Things Laboratory. That folder I am going to create now. IoT lab. So inside that already it has a name. Internet of Things Laboratory. Internet of lab. So we have mentioned here, and then you have to mention here the subfile is your program. Defaultly LDR sensor just save it. It is saving that program, and then it is defaultly has to be created this void setup and then void loop, and then now I just erase it. You have to write type of your program. After typing the program, LDR program, we need to see that what is the pin I have given here. LDR pin is you having it is analog pin I have given because it is a sensor. So you have to monitor this particular pin only. So this is a analog pin. So I have given this analog 0, and then initially the LDR value is 0. Here we don't need to mention that is a pin mode now. So you can also given as a LDR pin output like that. If you are giving means there is no error, only we are going to face it that. And then inside that you have to see that baud rate 9600. Why you are giving means how much speed you are going to transmitting with the help of that USB cable. That only we are going to mention here. Without this we cannot run the program. And then void loop, inside the void loop what is they have mentioned means LDR value. So you have to see that value here, and then by using this analog read. So LDR pin I am given as a pin configuration is a analog pin only, so that here I am mentioning as a analog reader. If I mentioning that into your digital pin means you have to given as a digital reader. And then finally it is going to be seen in your serial monitor, that is that serial dot print ln LDR value. So whatever that if I am giving some sense to that particular sensor means it automatically changes your value here. So that's all about your program. So you need to verify this program. If there is any error means you have to change it down and then check it that. After verifying it, if it is not any error means you just throw to the upload. So there is no error. So next step we are going to upload this program to the USB cable. So here also there is no error, and then you need to check here whether the board it is connected as a arduino uno, and then your port is you are going to connecting that your USB cable. Here I am using that COM4, and then get board information, right? And then programmer, you just need to click this Atmel STK 500 development board. After these steps only you are going to click your serial monitor here. So it's defaultly 0 we are giving that. So if I am giving 2, since this particular value means just see the value, it is changing that value. Here I have given as a LDR sensor to sense this a program as a value, it is correspondingly changing that. Now we are going to see that your Arduino Uno board connections. So this is a LDR pin. So inside this LDR pin we have a 3 connections. In the first pin, this is a signal pin, second pin is a VCC, and finally it is a ground. So you have to understand this, last is a minus, it is a ground connections. Now we are going to connecting this into the Arduino Uno board. So what I have told that your first pin is your signal pin. So signal pin yellow color, it is going to be connecting into that your A0, and then your orange pin, orange color pin is a ground connections, and then your green color pin is a for your power supply. Either you can give a 3.3 or 3. So I am giving that is a 5 volt here. 5 volt. Sir, after this connection, you need to upload this program. So here the connection is over. So all the things has fixed here 3 pins, and then now is ready to function the program. Now see that your program I just need to upload it the program. It is saying that your so there is no error. After clicking that, we are going to see that serial monitor here. So you just click this auto scroll. Defaultly it is having a 0 value. If I pressing that LDR value, the value is changing that correspondingly. So after that you need to click this auto scroll, so it is changing the value. See here, the value is changing here, so you can easily understand this. So whatever that LDR sensor you need to touch that, the value is correspondingly as changing here. So the output is successfully verified. Thank you.